How to make money travelling. We should start this video by saying it was made during the COVID-19 pandemic that is sweeping the world, and our sympathies goes out to all those affected. But hopefully once this horrible situation is all over, we will more than ever want to get out there into the big wide world, and this might have made you decide even more to travel and see more of the world. So how can you do this and make money while you travel? Just a word of advice, in many countries you may need a working visa to be able to earn a living, so check this out before you go anywhere. In this video we will share with you ideas on how to travel and make money as you do so. Don't forget to subscribe to our site, as each week we bring you new videos on how to make money. So let's get going. Rent out your home. If you decided to go travelling and you own a home or apartment, then what's the point of leaving it empty? You could earn a good monthly income by letting out your property. If you want peace of mind, you could go through a letting agency, or if you have a good friend that would be willing to look after your place, then you could get them to do it for you. Otherwise, there's Airbnb of course, or you could use local letting agencies to sort out your property. Sell goods online. You can buy and sell pretty much anything online. Use it to your advantage. But hang on a minute, what do you want me to do? Carry around everything that I sell? No, of course not. Have a look at our dropshipping videos, as this is a great way to sell things as you travel. Sell your photos and videos. If you're travelling, there's a fair chance you'll be seeing some fantastic places. So why not take some stunning pictures and sell them? However, don't think you can just click away on your smartphone. You'll need a good quality camera. Look at places like Adobe Stock, FOP or Shutterstock for places to sell your photos. Publish your travels. If you're anything like us, we love watching videos of people travelling, whether that's the van life videos or sailing the world. We love them. But these people don't do it just for our entertainment. They make good money from these uploads, which then funds their travels. So you could upload onto YouTube, or you could write a book, and you could publish books or your photos, and then put these on Amazon Kindle. Don't forget though, you'll need to promote and advertise your YouTube channel or book, and this will take time to build up your following. Deliver packages. If you're going to be on the road a lot, then this one is for you. Many people want to send stuff around the world, but don't trust postal services. So if you're on the road, why not fill this space in your vehicle and help someone out? World Craze or Roadie are places to look for, as they connect people who want to send a parcel with those that can deliver. Get paid for living a healthy life. Do you know that there's a way to live a healthier life, travel and earn money by doing so? Pact is an app that holds you to account if you set a fitness goal. And the best part is you get money every time that pact is respected, or you could lose money when it's not. Don't expect to make a fortune, but it's perfect to buy yourself a free meal from time to time. Flower, vegetable or fruit picking. Seasonal work has become a very popular option for travellers who aren't afraid of getting their hands dirty and working hard. Fruit farming on farms is widely known, and many farmers count on travellers with a working holiday visa to help them sustain their activity. Use Indeed or type seasonal or fruit in the keywords of your search, along with your destination, or use Google search like fruit picking jobs. Bar and restaurants. This is an obvious one, but working in bars and restaurants is perhaps the most popular sort of seasonal work worldwide. It's mostly going to be evening work, but that leaves you with the rest of the day to enjoy your destination and travel around. Resort or summer camp work. Resorts and summer camp organisations are always looking for workers, be that front of desk, the kitchen, cleaning the property, but you could also consider being a lifeguard or part of the activity team. You might not get too much free time, as these types of jobs can be full on, and of course you'll be stuck in one place all the time. But check out Job Monkey for job offers online. Construction work. For quick cash, introduce yourself to construction workers and offer help for the day. If you have some experience, even better. Otherwise you might help with some heavy lifting or other tasks that don't require high level of qualifications. You should go directly to the building site to see if they need additional pair of hands. Be a tour guide. If you stay long enough at your destination to know your way around, put this knowledge to good use and become a tour guide. The first place to ask for this sort of job is at your local tourist office, or find a local agency, or if it's a big city then it might already have a tour company. House sitting. An alternative way to make ends meet while travelling is to avoid paying for accommodation. House sitting lets you do just that. In exchange for looking after someone else's house, you to stay at their place for free. Check out Mind My Home or Trusted House Sitters. Become an au pair. Again, this is a job that's very popular around the world for people who want to travel. Be fully aware of everything that is expected of you. It could be a 7-day-a-week job. That's not what we call travelling. Prior experience showing your ability to take care of kids is a bonus, of course. Overseas job as an expat. Have you considered working abroad doing the same job? Sometimes all you need is a change of scene. Millions of people work overseas as expats. What you could bring to a company as a foreigner is invaluable, especially for international ones. You have an understanding of your country that they don't have. If you already have a job with a company that also operates abroad, get in touch with your HR department and let them know you have plans to travel. They might have opportunities for you. Also check out Indeed or go directly to websites of the company you'd like to join. Volunteer work. Well, not exactly free labour, but what about using sites like Workaway or Woofers to do work at different locations for bed and board? True, this type of work won't get you any money, but it will give you free accommodation and a place to spend time with local people. Freelancing. Many digital travellers become freelancers. They set up a profile on some of the most popular platforms, like Upworks and Fiverr, describing their skills, if possible provide an online portfolio, and then they sit back and wait for job offers. Any talent you have can be turned into money for your trips. Try to start as a freelancer while you are not travelling, to build up references and earn some money for your departure. Get in touch with the growing community of remote workers. Check out Nomad List as well as Facebook groups. You'll find plenty of useful tips and support there. Popular sectors for remote working include web design, programming, illustration, writer, translator, transcriptionist, marketing and social media manager. Small jobs. There is also an option of taking on small jobs that provide some money to get you by while you're travelling. Small jobs allow you to pay for dinner and extra comforts when you need them. These jobs include a website or app tester and online surveys. Yacht or sailboat. Getting paid to travel can be achieved by working on a sailboat or yacht. Boat owners are sometimes looking for an additional pair of hands to help them out on board. It's a great way to learn more about sailing or simply to get a free ride to somewhere else. Regarding the wage, it depends on the deal with the owner. If you don't have any prior experience, it might just be for the ride and food. Find a Crew is a very popular site that puts you in touch with boat owners looking for people to join them. Languages. You'll find people at every corner of the planet wanting to learn a second language. If you have any English qualifications, it's very simple to find a job as an English teacher. You can do it both in person or online, with WhatsApp, Hangout or Skype. It's very easy to communicate no matter where you are in the world. Yoga. Teaching yoga around the world is a trend that's gaining in popularity. You will have to work hard if you want to make a living just by teaching yoga, however, but you will travel and do something you love. Scuba diving. The same goes with teaching scuba diving, but the expectation is that you need to be qualified to become an instructor. Advertise on Dive Zone jobs if you haven't picked up your destination yet. If someone is interested in your profile, book your flight tickets and head there. Find a scuba diving centre and ask if you need a new person to help with the newbies. You'll be paid for something you love doing. There's plenty of diving sites in the world. It's a beautiful way to travel there and make ends meet. Street performing. Dancing, singing, telling jokes. Street performers all have different skills, but it's hard to live on that alone. But in countries where the cost of living is cheap, you should be able to make enough money for a meal. Becoming a busker though, you rely on donations, so you better be good at what you do. Be a movie extra. There are movies being made all over the world, so if you ever fancy being one, then become an extra. This could be the start to stardom. Okay, maybe not, but it's a great way of combining your passion for films and making a bit of money. Look at local casting agencies' online sites where extra work will be advertised. There are lots of other ways to make money while travelling, and I'm sure you guys have lots of ideas. Please leave a message below if you do. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to look out for the next one in this series. Please remember to subscribe and click on the bell so you'll be notified when the next video comes out. Good luck with earning money, guys, and remember you can have results or excuses, but you can't have both.